Hey there and welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive folder so you can share it with anyone you like. But the purpose I am using it for is to gather project information from one of my customers who would like, as a part of his maintenance plan, he would like to add 3 projects per month to his website. So I'm setting up a Google Drive folder specifically for him, or I've set it up already. And it looks something like this. So I've already shared this with the owner of AFM Property Maintenance. So he will just receive a link like this, Google Drive folder link, and it's called AFM Property Maintenance, and we'll have an example folder in there, example project. So it's a great way to gather content from web design customers, any other customers that require sharing text and image and video information. I would highly suggest using Google Drive and setting up a shared folder in Google Drive. So here we have the example project. So for each project, please follow a simple formula for the text, and I'll do the rest. You can obviously add whatever you want, but I've created this to save you time, because these guys are really busy, so setting up a shared Google Drive folder for them is certainly going to help them save a lot of time. So here I have project name, so you'll just fill it out, ABC media wall, and location Dundee, material used wood and steel brackets, special features LED lighting, and you can have a customer testimonial put in there as optional. And then project images, I've just added a couple of stock photos here. In fact, it was AI generated, this one, the media wall. So to add your own images to your shared Google Drive folder, simply click insert, then image, then upload from computer from the menu above. So that's up here. So we go insert image. You can see this is where I generated the image. Let's just do that for fun. Let's see. Amazing garden decking. And we'll let that just create that there. So yeah, basically that's all Andy needs to do is take some photos and videos of the project. He actually likes to put his videos on Instagram and Facebook Reels, and he gets quite a lot of views on that and stuff. So here we go. This has created some amazing decking, so we'll just go for this one, and it's added in at the end of the text there. So if you make sure you create some space and then click on this one here, that looks really nice. So basically how we do it. It's a really cool image if you think you'll agree. But we'll just go ahead and delete that, and delete that to make some space. So basically that's the example project set up for AFM Property Maintenance to share their projects. So we click on here, click share, and then it comes up with who we want to share it with. And since I already have AFM Property Maintenance in my Google Drive shared folder contacts, I would just click on that there. But if you want to add another email address, you can just type it in there. and then we go along here and you can choose whether to just allow the recipient of the shared Google Drive folder. They can set them just to be as a viewer, or they can simply comment on the file, or they can edit it. And they can notify people when it's sent, when it's received. We can put an additional message in here. So that's basically the access for the example project. So we'll just go down here and click on link. So that'll copy that link to your clipboard, and we'll just open a new private window here, and I'll show you how your Google Drive shared folder will look, what it will look like when someone receives it. This is in a private window. So obviously the recipient of the shared Google Drive folder will have to have their own Gmail address or own Google account. If they don't have one, they can set one up for free, just simply for managing these projects or whatever it is you like to share across the internet. So hopefully that helps you guys. Drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to follow for more, and have a nice day.